Okay, for some reason my intro didn't work, so we're just gonna head straight into the video. I hope you'll enjoy. So, first of all, I'm gonna start off with Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Auburn. And legit, that and their pomade is what I've been obsessed with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the hairs up first like I usually do, creating natural hair strokes, and then I'm going to go in with the pomade and fill in the rest of my brow like so, and basically just follow those lines. My eyebrows are going to look a bit heavy right now, I know, but we're going to curve her out in a minute. So getting that bottom line done first and then creating that top line as well, and all I'm doing is just following it around. And now that we've got the brow nice and filled in, I'm going to use the spoolie ends of the Brow Wiz just to brush up those hairs we created, just so it ain't that intense. Slug number 1 done. Now I'm going to go in with my Last Imperfection concealer from Collection, and we're going to just conceal that brow out. Make her look a little bit neater than she is. I'm just taking this on a random flat brush. I've had this for God knows how long. Just a flat brush. And we're going to make her nice and defined. Damn neighbours, man, I swear. Anyways. She's looking a bit too thick, the fuck? That'll do. Now is a dark brown shadow. Okay. And let's just use this warm shade. This warm shade here. Let's use you today. Legit, all my brushes are dirty. Oh, fucking shock. Like, right in the crease. Going right into the inner corner and taking that out on the outer corner too. I'm gonna go in with Doll 10 to the point liner. It's got 2 edges to it, so we're gonna go in with the, let's go in with the finest tip here. All we're gonna do is draw a cat eye liner. And then we just drew our cat wing right there. Ooh! Shut up. She long as hell. Damn. Okay, now that that lash is on, I've added some mascara, and now I'm going to do the other eye, so I'll be back in 2 seconds. Well, like 10 minutes, but 2 seconds. Now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to go in with my WetnWild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I'm going to apply her all over this skin, so I don't look so damn ugly no more. I like to do my forehead last. She big as fuck and we need a lot of product for her, you know, you get me. Time now for some concealer. I got some hiccups. Goddamn. Let's go in with Barry on fucking hiccups. Barry All Night Concealer in the shade 03 Cookie. Now I've just placed that concealer in my usual areas, and now we blend, 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 blend. And now we need some setting powder. And we're going to use the Vichy Dermablend powder and set that face in place. This past month has been mental, and I mean mental. Like, you know, you just got one of those times where you literally can't keep anything, like, can't not keep up, and your brain is like, bitch, you need to calm down. Like, I am the worst person ever at trying to keep organized. Like, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. And I don't know why. I can't. I have a diary and everything set out that I'm meant to keep, like, all my looks in, and I've just started doing it recently. But it's like, goddamn, you need to keep up, girl. Yeah, literally, we just had the lash launch last weekend. And yeah, everyone's still going crazy, which I appreciate so damn much. Now I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me powder in translucent and just set the whole face. Oh shit. Fuck. I'm so happy with what's been happening in my life, and legit I feel blessed. I feel so damn blessed, and I honestly I can't get over it. I genuinely can't get over what's happening. Obviously, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, please do. It's in the header of my page if y'all ain't seen. And yeah, there's a lot that goes on. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Parkave Princess palette, and we're gonna go into Carrot and Princess Cut. I'm gonna mix those two today. Oh, and I'm using my Unicorn Cosmetics brush. I used to always use Bejeweled Beauty brushes, but I'm trying this one for like bronzing and contouring, and it is amazing. It's just a fluffy dome brush, but it's really good. I love it. Ooh. Drawing on a mask. And yeah, she's a lot. Me and steady work ain't good, so we're gonna try. Okay, let me get some room. I've got my phone set up where I'm gonna draw so I can see, and I'm gonna go in with Doll 10 eyeliner again, and we're gonna go in with the really small side right here. Like that. My concentration face right now is gonna be hysterical. Bitch, I can't even breathe. And we come all the way down, do we? No. We come down to about there. So we draw a line there. We come to about the same. And then what we gotta do is draw a line there. Like that. And now I'm just like deepening up those lines. Oh. And we're just gonna do the exact same, but bring this one up a little higher. Like that. Okay. Anastasia lipstick in American Doll, bright red, which is what we need. I'm going to keep her there for a second, but first let's go back in with that shade that we used for around the eyes. I'm going to do some light shading. Okay, so now that that's done, shoot, I forgot to have my little lines here. Now what we're going to go in with the lipstick, and I'm going to use a really fine detailed brush. Let's use this one from Doll 10. It is really small, it's got glitter on it. And brushes are never clean. It's a bit taller though. I create a cross. Oh my god, let's get this right, okay. Got a line done so far. Now I'm going to go straight in with the actual applicator and go to town. Watch this red not come off my face for like a week. Okay, cool. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make it real scary. I'm going to pop in some contacts. So hold up. Oh, okay. Come on, girl, you got this, you got this. Here she is. Okay. How have I got red lipstick on my nose already? Okay, that didn't work. It's okay. It's okay. We ain't gonna give up. We ain't gonna give up. Hell no. Okay, it's in, it's in, it's in, it's in. Okay, so that's our contact in, as you can tell. I still can't see shit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that lipstick, mix it with a bit of oil, and we're going to create some drip effect. I'm going to take the Anastasia hydrating oil. I'm going to apply a bit of that just on top of that lipstick. I'm literally just creating like little teeny tiny drip effects almost. Okay, so drip effects done. And now all we gotta do is put on a wig. And that is us finished. Obviously you do not need to use a prop. But yeah, that is us all done. We went for a short blonde bob. The inspiration behind this was from a girl called Yasmu. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below. And yeah, as soon as I seen this on her page, I was like, yo, I need to recreate this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this spooky, easy Halloween look, if you will. And yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. As always, I love you all so much. I hope you'll have a bomb-ass day / night wherever you are. And of course, subscribe, like, comment, however you feel. Whatever you feel in the moment. If not, it's cool too. That's cool. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.